Jamaicans are being urged to exercise caution during the festive season to prevent fires. Public Relations Officer at the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Emeleo Ebanks, zooms in now, and he's going to share with us a few helpful tips on how we can do just that. Good morning, Emeleo. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Good morning, Dila. Thanks for having me.
Always a pleasure to have you. It's the holiday season. What do you find are some of the most common fire hazards that occur during this time?
Well, let's start off with the Christmas lights. That's the first thing, the decorations on the trees. And of course, you know, there will be alcohol consumption and persons will be doing a lot more cooking and a lot more baking. So generally, those are the things that contributes to the heightened amount of fires at this time of the year.
Yeah. Do you find that during this period, this Christmas period, that you're seeing more fires? How, what's the trend like?
Well, we generally see more house fires because the things that I just spoke about, those things will heighten the amount of fires that you get at this time of the year. And sadly, once you have more house fires, you are going to have more persons getting injured from fires and likely more persons dying from fires.
Yeah, so you raised two important things, an increase in house fires and also the types that occur. So what are some of the ways that we can safeguard against fires happening in the household?
Well, I generally tell persons at this time of the year, get a license and a certified electrician if your house has been passed more than 5 years ago to come in and do some checks. Just make sure that everything is working the way they should. In very much the same way, you know, that we visit our doctors for a checkup, you want to check up and make sure that the health of your house is as it should be from an electrical perspective, because you have to remember now at this time of the year, the demand is greater. So the supplier is going to provide more electricity. And the picture that you're throwing up right there is just a no-no, absolutely no-no. We have to remember, do not overload the circuits, and that is overloading of a circuit right there in itself.
Dangerous thing, that for true.